Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back with Speedtest. Speedtest January 2025. Yes. In today's newspaper on Friday, January the 3rd, 2025, we have here three regular puzzles. One of those puzzles I've already solved, the 3-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left, the killer Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will continue with these 2 regular puzzles, and I will continue with the 4 stars Sudoku. Number 9835. Before start, I always counted printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. Usually the 4 stars has 24. This one has 25. Should be at 3 stars. 3 stars puzzles. I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 4 stars. 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Question is this a 4 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 7, okay. 6 in this column, 6 in the first column, so the column between. Second column, the only place level 6 should be there. Oh, without comments. Yeah, without comments of instructions. So, almost forgot. Okay, 7, 7, 7, 4. I need a 4 here. Need a 1 here. 9, 2. 8, 6, 5. Need a 5 here. 7 here. 2. 1, 6. 1. Need a 6 here. 6 there. Need a 1 here. 2, 4. Come on. 2 here. Need 8. Need 8 here. 8, need 8 there. 2, 2, 9. 8, 2, 3, and 5. 5, 6. 1 digit left should be the 6. 4 and the 2. 8 here. 4, 1 and the 7. 4, 1. 1. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 1. 4 and a 7. Come on. Need a 1 here. The 2 there. 3 with a 9. 9, 9, 9. 9, need a 9 and a 5. 9, 2, need a 9 here. Need a 2, 2 here. Need a 3. Need a 4. Need a 4 here. 3, 4, and the 6. Need a 3 here. 3 and a 9. Should be the 8 here. 5, 7, and the 4. 6 and a 4. 6, 4, 7. How about here? 1, 2, 5, 6, and the 8. Need an 8 here. Need a 6 there. Eliminated the 1. 1, 3, 7, 4. This should be the 4, this should be the 6, this should be the 4, 7, and the 3. Need a 3 here. 7, oh, 4, 7, so need a 7 there. 1 box left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 and a 3. 7 and the 4. Here, 1 box left. 1, need a 2. 2, 4, 4, 7. This should be the 7, 3, and come on, 3 and a 4. Finished. Minus 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 33. Well, so for again. So for again. Yeah. Alright. Once in a while, you need a speed test to train your brain think faster. And I've solved this in 5 minutes. So I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle. Killer Sudoku. Also with a speed test without comments, without instructions. Until then, bye bye for now.